All right, everybody. On Gmail, what you would do to whitelist our email, first of all, you can see where it says Manage Labels. You would click Create New Label, and you would create one called TCP, okay, or the Conversion Pros. If you see under, I have it right here. So then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to hit this thing right here, your settings. Click on Settings, and under Filtered and Blocked Addresses, click on that. And then what you're going to do is click on Create a New Filter. So I do that. I paste this here, and then click down to create a filter with this search. Okay? Couple things. Apply the label. If I do this and click on apply the label TCP, it does that. And you can do never send to spam right there. Okay? Then hit create filter, and if you want all your TCP stuff to automatically go there, you can click on that and we'll take it all and put it in there. So if I click that, I'll put every TCP email in that folder. Hit create filter, and then right there, never send it to spam, and it'll apply it to this label. That's how you do it on Gmail. Pretty easy.